In week 1, I completed all the functional requirements set for Milestone 1. There was one functional requirement that I submitted a change request for after researching it and discovering that the search bar only allows for one scope bar. The request is still pending approval or denial, so I developed with the assumption of approval. However, if the request is denied, I will allot for that in week 2. I created the UI for the Discover/Search, Create, Profile, and Recipe screens. I also added functionality to all these screens. I did not add login functionality as that is slated for work in week 2. All screens have complete navigational abilities and work as they should, minus the logged in related features and remote database functionality. I spent about 20 hours working on the app this week. About 3 of those hours were spent creating the design and prototype in Adobe XD. I spent the first half of the week working on the design for the app, with the result being the prototype, and I spent the latter half of the week actually creating the app in Xcode.
In the app, the user starts at the Discover screen. Users can access any of the 3 top-level screens, Discover, Create, and Profile from the tab bar. Users can search by recipe name and filter by difficulty using the search bar. Clicking on a recipe takes users to the recipe screen, which displays all relevant information. From there, users can go back or access any of the top-level screens. The Create screen allows users to create a recipe and requires a name to be provided before the recipe can be saved. Users can easily set the privacy status, name, meal type, and difficulty at the top of the screen. Scrolling down, users can add ingredients, or steps, and within each list, reorder the ingredients or steps. In the Profile screen, users can view their username and all their recipes and filter the recipes by public, private, or all. Clicking on a recipe in the Profile screen also takes the user to the Recipe screen. In the next milestone, I will add login functionalities, and the Create and Profile screens will only be accessible to logged-in users. Thank you.